This video is for an exercise that takes place in the anniversary of Aegean. So basically what we have to do is we have to make a table out of one cube, and we have to do the same thing for a chair. So I start by adding the cube and change the segments to 5. Then I change the shape of the cube. So then we go to the make editable, and then after that we go to the display Goro shading lines. Then we choose the size that we want to extrude to make the upper part of the chair. We do the same thing for the legs of the chair too, and then we can see from a different perspective how long we want the legs to be. So then we're gonna use the tool bevel to make the upper part a little more fancy, if you can say. Then we choose one of the parts and we cut it in different pieces with a knife tool. We do the same for the other part. If we want to be more specific, we can check from a different perspective so they can be in line. And then we use the tool bridge. And then we do the same thing for the table too. We change the shape. And then we change the segments to 5. Then again we go to the make editable with the display Goro lines. We select the parts that we want to bevel in order to make the legs of the table. And then again, if we want to do it a little more fancy, if you can say, we're gonna do the bevel part for the legs. Then we're gonna do the same thing with the chair. We're gonna cut it in different parts so we can connect the two sides. So we're gonna cut it with a knife tool. And then we're gonna use a bridge in order to connect them. And then we do the same thing for the other parts. So we're gonna have a connect table. And then we can change the perspective so we can be a little more specific. Of course, we're not gonna do it specific here, but you get the point of it. Then we choose the parts that we want to connect, again with a bridge. Okay, we do the same thing again and again. And this is the complete set.